Sam, what you did?
Shot a polar bear.
Just dropped it right there. Didn't run far.
No.
Just across this flat ice, about 200 yards, 300 yards. Fucking big one, huh? Welcome, Muskrat411 fans. You're at Ed's Excellent Adventures. And my little brother Sam just shot a polar bear. 3 rounds, 300 quick range. Fucking A. Yeah, we're about maybe 20 kilometers offshore from in between King Point and Shingle Point on the Yukon coast. Wait a few minutes and close up view. Just dropping about maybe a minute ago. Woohoo! I got my polar bear. And Sam, we're not that far, maybe 5 clicks from shore. There's my Nanook. Pretty big one, about same size as Sam's. Maybe a little bit bigger, huh? Maybe same size, yeah. About same size though. Dew line is just over there. Bar 2. Woo, fuck yeah! Got my Nanook fucking 9 years later. I'm one happy kid now. So far on our trip, there's 2 polar bears, 1 muskox, 3 caribou. Holy, good 4 days of hunting. Yeah, we're just on our way home back to AK and get ready for carnivals this weekend.
Okay, just going down to First Creek. End of April. It's really no more snow hardly. There's my sled. First Creek that way. Margo. Hill. First Creek down there. Used to have trap line down there. Maybe next year again I'll put traps in there. Gotta go there. Cross the creek, climb up there and go over to Cache Creek and check how it is and see if we go to Fish Hole. If not, we might go to Tin House. Never went to Tin House for a long time. There's Margo taking a picture. Okay. Hey, just on the top above First Creek. Mountains over there. I thought I was going to catch Margo climbing up, but she was too fast. First creek down there where we crossed. Lots of jet trails in the sky. One over there. Delta down there. Yeah, sled. Goes through that creek that way and cross Divide Lake and then go towards Cache Creek. There's Cache Creek down here. We're at the top, we gotta go down the hill, go down there. shoal is other side of Slim Mountain somewhere, wherever Slim Mountain is. But it's up in this high mountain. I don't know. Maybe it's more that way. I don't think you'd see it from here.
It's over there.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
The mountain's over there.
Yeah, it is, yeah. And down there somewhere is Tin House. And go past Tin House, hit Fish River. The creek that came up. Yeah, just gonna go down here and check around. We saw big moose tracks, but we never looked for that moose. Go up here and see what we see, maybe. Okay. Yeah, big moose or something tracks went up there. I don't know where he went. See him no more. I think so, yeah. I thought it was bear tracks, but it's moose.
Yeah, moose.
Yeah, but Cache Creek, nice up here. It's down to the end there. Ptarmigan somewhere. Oh, right there. Where'd he go? Right there. Oh yeah, right there he is. There's the ptarmigan. Oh, end of Cache Creek. I guess is where Fish River starts. Fish River goes from that way, and then there's another fork, I think. But so we're just gonna check around a little more, I guess. Where we came from over there. Lots of times we missed the house somewhere. That tin house. It's really lots of bush. But yeah, check around a little more. Lots of wolf tracks. Like 3 or 4 wolves going that way. Must be gonna go look for that moose that went up the hill, I guess. Sitting here. Deadly big gravel hill here. Should have could haul it to my house with a real deadly yellow yard. Margo. No, I was going to look for a tin house, but I think it's in this big bush here somewhere. You got to have GPS to find it. I think it's where it's never been up here for a while. That mountain down that way. I think that Slim Mountain over there, that round one. Round one by itself, eh? Yeah, I think it's Slim Mountain there. There's that yellow mountain again. Crow nest. Crow just took off. There they are, circling around up in the sky there. Where's Margo went? Back and checking her, I guess. There's a big crow nest. There's Margo. Somewhere. Oh, right there. Coming over the hill. Oh, there we came from over there. And there's Slim Mountain. Go around there. Go down in this creek and try to hit a trail and go to Fish Hole over behind them high mountains there. Somewhere. Hard to see his viewfinder. It's too bright. But yeah, over there somewhere. Okay, there's this high mountains that separate from excuse me, separate to the Big Fish River up there. That's above the waterfalls. That one. This one over here, go to Fish Hole. It's the one we might follow. We'll see how far we're gonna go. Okay, there's down there. Different. Some more mountains down there, but yeah, these are the high mountains up here where Fish Hole is. Right, so start a little Fish River. That way. Oh, ptarmigan flying around down there. Landed. Melting up here. Never seen no bear track though. There's Margo and Little Fish River run along here.
This is Little Fish River?
Yeah. Big Fish is the one with fish hole in it. Yukon border, I think it's over at that hill over there. And yeah, there's Little Fish River.
Still a long way?
Hmm?
Fish hole.
We had a hard time coming up here. Got stuck on that little bank and got stuck coming up here. Okay.
There's quite a few of them right there.
Ptarmigan there somewhere.
There.
Oh yeah.
All the way up.
One ptarmigan there. Too far to zoom it. Hard to balance. Okay, you gotta climb up here and start heading her back home. Oh, there's one right around there somewhere too. Yeah, hard to get out of this Fish River Creek here. Came over from Slim Mountain and going down into Cache Creek. Cache Creek down there. Headed Cache Creek up that way in the higher mountain. This is the lower part. Here down. Just going down. Margo taking pictures. Joseph's Mountain and First Creek over there. There's that creek down there for trapped beaver in it. Fuller River over on this side. Clavik is somewhere in there. It's too hard to see the screen, but you can see those tanks shining. Newick Tuck Highway over there in those mountains. Yukon over there somewhere. McPherson over that mountain and then across the delta. And Newick is over at the start of those mountains over there. It's Newick. Into the mountains. Just gonna head her back on the trail. There's where we come from, that last little climb. Okay, heading her back to Clavik now. End of the trip.